Yeah, hi. So I think regarding the business partner, we have completed all these things, right? Yes. So actually, we need to see the last sales view. Actually, we just completed with that, and we just got some error in the partner function, right? Yes. So that was rectified. Okay. So that was missing in the partner function. Okay. So we are going to see that. Okay. We are going to see the partner determination as a separate topic. Okay. So we'll discuss about that. Okay. I'll show you that. So this final sales view, okay, of the business partner, we can just go through that, then we can jump into the so the main business process here. Okay, fine. So let me get into the system here. So here you can able to see here. Okay, so I will just go into the BP here. Okay, get into the organization. Okay, so already we have the business partner. Okay, let me go for the business partner here. No, I think something wrong. Okay, let me search for that. I think we have created the Ashok Leland, right? So let me search here. Okay, so Ashok. Yeah, so here it is. Okay, this is what we created. Okay, let's me go for it. Yes, so this is ours, right? So let me go for the change screen. There you can see this is the change screen here. Click on that, and there you can able to change the role here. So already we created our role. So what is that role here? So this is the role here, right? So click on that. So already the company code data we have maintained. We have seen the company, the particular item code, everything is automatically created, right? Okay, but we cannot able to, we just tried to create an order. Okay, but we cannot able to do that, right? We cannot able to do that because system is still saying, okay, it's not a customer, because okay, this particular view is not maintained here. Okay, still this view is, the sales view is not maintained. Without sales view we cannot able to perform this case over here. So that is the condition. So we want to make this particular sales view to be activated. Okay, so let's go to the sales view here. Okay, yes, so the last time we just activated, but we got error in the partner function, we just left. Okay, yes, I'll just explain one more time here so we can able to have that particular case here, right? So let's go for it. Okay, so let's click on the sales and distribution here. Okay, so there we have this option here. So there are three different things. Okay, you can see there are three different things over here. So one is okay, the order, and one is shipping, and one is billing over here. Okay, so you can see three options over here. Okay, order, shipping, and billing. So three options over here. Okay, so with that what we are going to have is, so we are going to see this one by one here. Okay, let's see this one by one here. Okay, so with that we can able to perform this, right? Yes, so let's go for this one. Okay, so here what are the things we need to see is, for an example, okay, let's see this here. Okay, so we have a sales district. These all things are option. You can see there is a sales office and sales group also available. So where we have seen the sales office and sales group here. So the sales office and sales group where we have seen is, so we have seen in the particular case, which one? So the enterprise structure, right? So the enterprise structure we have seen that particular case. So with that we just gone to that one, right? We just gone to that particular case where we just seen this enterprise structure, but we have not used in the actual case. Okay, we are not used in the actual case. Okay, so but here we can use. Okay, we are not used in the enterprise structure. Okay, just for making connection, but we never used anywhere, right? But here you can use that one. You can put your sales office and you can put your sales group like that. For an example, your sales office is, for an example, Tata. You can see you're getting only one, because for this organization we have assigned only one here, so it is showing only one option here. Okay, so go for this option, and you want a sales group, you have two groups here. Yes, we have assigned two groups here. You can see two groups are available. Okay, so that you can able to maintain which group is going to maintain this customer. That's it. See, very important is just we have to give a direction to the team, and we have to give a direction to the system, so automatically it will be working on. Okay, right. Then we can able to see, for an example, you can have the ABC class. Okay, this is also sometime it is important here. So ABC class is nothing but, for an example, you can give the priority. Okay, you can give the priority for this customer. So whether it is an A class customer or B class or C class, you can give this particular priority here. So what will happen is, in particular situations, okay, you can able to give a priority. Maybe the customer cannot able to pay on time, or this having some issues. Okay, you can just give a priority. Okay, this is our A class customer. Okay, so we can give some benefits for them like that. Okay, just for understanding. Okay, right. Yes. And next thing, okay, so the currency and all these things are okay. So coming into the next thing, the most important thing here is the customer pricing procedure. So this is most important here. Okay, why this customer pricing procedure is most important? In the sense, very simple. So once we are going to complete the OTC, okay, next thing we are going to see the O2C process. See, one of the most important, the core business cycle of sales and distribution. So whatever we are doing now, this is for the O2C cycle. So O2C cycle is our target. Okay, so O2C cycle, if you want to approach, so there are a lot of, okay, so branches for the O2C we have. So in one, that it is a pricing procedure. Okay, so one of the very biggest configuration we are going to have. So pricing procedure, the output of that pricing procedure is here. Okay, output of pricing procedure, we are going to place it over here. So that we will explain. Okay, we will go later and we will explain that. Okay, right. So this is all about the order side. Okay, you can see from this in the order side here, and go to the shipping. Okay, so this three views belongs to three different processes, because in O2C three different process will come: order, shipping, and billing. So that is what this three views is going to, okay, considered here. Okay, so go for the shipping. Okay, so there you can see this is shipping related information here. So what are the shipping related information? For an example, here you can have the delivery priority. If you want to have a priority for this customer, you can put the priority. So how we have put this ABC class, like that you can able to put something over here. Okay, maybe I'll put the high priority for this. Okay, and you can put the delivery plan also. Where we have seen the delivering plan, also we have seen in the Metal Master also we have seen. So this is customer specific. So customer specific, we can put the delivery plan. Maybe this customer is available in somewhere nearby some other plant. Okay, you can put that plant. So that is very nearer to the customer. So we will get some orders, or we can able to deliver it very quickly. Like that, if you have any condition, you can give that, or else you don't need to do that one. Okay, and also shipping condition plays a major role, because we are going to see one shipping condition configuration. A special configuration is there, so that is most essential for the logistics department. Okay, so we are going to see that complete end to end in deeper. We are going to see that. Okay, then we can come back. Okay, now if I say something, you will not get an idea. Okay, and finally POD. Okay, POD relevant is not widely used, but still, okay, if any fragile companies, for an example, if any glass manufacturing, all these things, they will go with POD. What is that is, okay, so we will deliver. Okay, we will deliver, we will pack perfectly, and we will send to the customer. Okay, in transit, if it is damaged, anything happens, it's okay, so we can able to bear. But sometime when we drop that particular product in the customer side, but the customer while they are unloading that, okay, so they might damage. Okay, so but finally they will say, okay, so it's a vendor's issue, it's our issue. Okay, so that can be restricted with this POD here. POD stands for proof of delivery. Once you received, okay, so if you just activate this, so it will be activated. Okay, so you can able to give the proof of delivery. For an example, when you just drop the product in the customer, so customer will check that, okay, everything is perfect or not, and he will give the proof of delivery. He will just get a sign or something, or get a photo or something, whatever. It is reached properly. So hereafter, whatever happens, it is not our scope. Like that, if you want, you can able to put that, but it is not mandatory, so it is not going to be impacting. Okay, yes, and also you have some this kind of option. Okay, this kind of option also will, you can able to make a control here. So complete delivery option. Complete delivery means if a customer is ordering you for 10 quantities, if all the 10 quantities are ready, then only you can able to deliver. You cannot do the partial delivery. That is one thing. And here you can see maximum partial deliveries. So you can able to control how many maximum partial deliveries you can do. The maximum possibilities are 9. But if you want to construct, if you want to, so you want to restrict with 4 or 5, you can do that. Okay, right. And finally coming for the billing part here. Okay, so billing part, okay, so we don't have much here. Okay, so only the Incoterms and things are there. Okay, Incoterms we know that, okay, especially we use for the import and export. Okay, so whichever we want, we can able to use it for that case. Okay, so other than that, what other thing we need to give is we need to give this, okay, terms of payment. This is very important. So the terms of payment we need to give it here. This is very important here. Who will create this terms of payment is very simple. So the customer, okay, so we will negotiate with the customer, and finally we arrive at the price, right? Arrive at the terms. Okay, that terms will be given to the finance department. Finance will do that actually. Okay, so we don't have any scope on that. Okay, finance will do that for us. So whichever we want, we can able to choose. Okay, there are EMIs or installments, whatever they like. Okay, they can go for it. Okay, so or else whatever we need. Okay, for an example, if you go with a normal case, you can see this one. Okay, for 30 days, within 30 days means, okay, so from the date of dispatch, okay, within 30 days, so they want to give the payment to us. So these kind of payment terms we can able to use that. And you can say account assignment group customer, right? So already we have seen account assignment group material in the metal master. Okay, and here you can see account assignment group customer. These two will merge. Okay, where in the order. Okay, when we go to the O2C, I'll show you that. Okay, so in order it will merge. Okay, it will merge and it will generate the process here. Okay, that is what the material level and customer level. Okay, this is the process where the revenue, everything will get calculated. So I'll just put it over here in the customer point of view. Let me put, okay, I'll put as domestic revenue. Okay, right. And just give an enter. Okay, so now everything is fine here. Finally, the partner function. So last time, so we didn't get in this partner function here. Now you can see the partner function came here. Okay, this is because the partner function is not, okay, so properly maintained in the configuration. So I don't want to spoil the flow. Okay, so the partner function we can see it separately. Okay, so we have a separate option of partner determination. There we can able to see a complete configuration end to end. We can see about the partner determination and all these things. So you will get an idea. So how we connect this partner function with here, not only with the business partner, we can able to connect directly with the document also, means our sales document. Right? Yes. Okay, this is all about this. Okay, just save this one. Okay, so now this particular, okay, so the customer is ready. So now we can take this one. Okay, this is the customer number, right? Now we can take, okay, we have tried many times but we cannot able to get this one. Now we can try one more time at the last time. So see what happens. Now everything is ready. Now everything we just maintained, right? So now we can check that one. So how it is reacting. So go to VA01 and enter. Okay, I'll just give some okay, so let me do for this. Okay, so let me give that customer. Now we can check this, enter. Okay, no pricing procedure could be determined. Okay, so this can be a different error. Okay, so that can be maintained over here. Yeah, this is the pricing procedure. I think why it is not maintained. I think it is there. Huh? Okay, so I'll just put the standard. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so maybe there is no pricing procedure in the background, then only it will show this error. Okay, so anyway, I'll just check it one more time. So this is not an error regarding the customer related. Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, still it is showing, okay, the pricing procedure would not be determined. Okay, so the pricing procedure has no connection between this. Okay, yes. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Okay, so we will just try with a different combination. Okay, I think still it is taking the same thing here. Okay, right. Okay, so let's go for the combination here. Okay, I'll just do the combination, then I'll just explain that later here. Okay, so let me explain that later. Okay, let me do that. Okay, go for the sales. Okay, so let's do that here. Okay, so order type wise, let me assign this. What's our type here? It is ZOR here. Okay, so already the procedure is assigned. Okay, the standard one is assigned, but it is not taking for that particular combination. Okay, let me go for this combination here. Okay, it is not taking for this combination. Okay, so let me try with that. Okay, so what we can do is go for the sales and document and there header, and there you can able to see. Okay, so assign option. Yeah, so here you can see assign sales area, so the sales document type, go for there and you can assign this particular combination over here. So there we can go for this particular new entry and give that particular combination. What is the combination we have? Which is a data, and we have x1 and we have x1 over here, and we have ZOR, right? This is what we have. Okay, the first as a general sales area, I think. Okay, just a minute, let me check that. Okay, so let me put that. So let me search for our case. Okay, so maybe I'll use any standard one, but just for reference. Okay, let me search for our king again. Okay, so let me go for any reference here. Okay, so which has already been available. Okay, let me go for the same thing here. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, the same thing we can go. So where is data? Yeah, here it is. Okay, I'll go with the same thing. Okay, x1 and x2. I think it is not taking up. Okay, let me try with 01. So we can try again. Okay, so put it number 30 because which we are assigned. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, and we can go back to the division. Okay, so here again we can have to find the data again. Okay, so let me give that. So find the data. Okay, so now we can try with this. Okay, so go with the new entry and data. Okay, so x1 versus x1 versus ZOR. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, let's create a new one and we can try that. Okay, I think this is something else. We don't want to take someone else. Okay, let's take a new one. Okay, so now you can see, okay, this customer will be taken up. Okay, so let me try with any other order. I'll just show you that. Okay, so any document type you can use. Okay, yeah, so you can use any document type over here and try with this. Okay, so I think in the pricing procedures there is an issue. Okay, so because here everything is fine here. Okay, let me go for the pricing procedure one last time. Okay, so in pricing determination, okay, so this is the condition here. Okay, let me find for the data. Okay, in data we don't have that one, so that is the problem here. Okay, no issues. Okay, we can try it, we can take anything here. So we can take any procedure, go with the data here. So data, okay, and we have a distribution channel as x1, and here also an x1, and here we can put some combination here. Okay, so any combination you can able to put over here. Okay, I'll go with the standard, and here I have them here. Okay, I'll explain all these things later. Okay, these all things related to the pricing procedure. Okay, so we'll just use that later here because this needs a detailed explanation. Okay, so now for showing you it's not working, so that's a condition. Okay, so maybe, okay, I'll use this one. Yeah, okay, I'll save it. Yeah, so now we can try again. Okay, VA01 and enter. Okay, and go for it. Yeah, so now you can see it has taken, and now you can see the customer has been taken. Okay, now the customer has been taken. Okay, so earlier it was not taken because it is given an error that it's a business partner. So then it was taken again, it was not taken because it is not maintained for the sales view. So now everything we just maintain, now it is ready. Okay, so you can able to see this one. Right, now you can able to see this one. Okay, so now this order is ready, so we can able to use this customer. Okay, this is all about the business partner here. Okay, right, yes. Okay, this is what actually we want to do. Okay, so now the business partner is ready. Okay, so we have just made it. Okay, so we just fine with that. So now the business partner is ready. So instead if you want to use any other role also, you can able to extend the role. For an example, so now for we have a common business partner. This is common business partner. So in that, so you can able to increase n number of sales areas. So now we have activated only one sales area, right? This distribution channel and this division. Maybe if you want to add, so you can go to the create and you can add one more combination and add one more combination. So how many combination you want, because we have different things, right? So 2 distribution channels. Okay, so 3 divisions, like that we have different things over here. So you can able to manage with that. So you can able to extend, or you can able to make it on that, and you can able to perform that case. Okay, that can be done. Okay, same like for the company code also. Okay, so if you go for the company code also, so it will be different. Okay, if you go for the company code, so also you can go to the company code, and there also you have a different company code option. So now it actually is assigned for only one company code. Maybe if you want to assign for a multiple company code, yes, you can able to adapt. You can just give a create. You can add the same customer for multiple company codes. It means we are avoiding the duplications. We're totally avoiding all the cases over here. Okay, but the thing is, okay, so we can able to assign this company codes on all the case for the same case, right? Yes. And same thing for the role also. Okay, so it's not like only the 2 roles you have to make here. So maybe the same customer. Okay, you can see the same customer is coming as a dealer next time. Okay, he is a dealer, he is coming as a dealer. So just create one particular role for the dealer, and you can just click on the same thing. You don't need to do anything more here. Okay, just create a new role and just assign this particular BP role over here. With that, it will be extended. So that is what the advantage of this business partner role, where you will be getting everything under the same roof. You will be getting everything under the same roof, right? Yes. Okay, yeah. So let's go for that one. So here we have some credit management and all these things roles also will be there. Okay, for an example, so if you go for here, okay, there will be some credit management and all these things roles also will be there. It's pending here. Okay, so that we can able to see on the next session. Okay, we will be seeing in the upcoming session. After the O2C, we can see that regarding the credit management and all those things over here. Okay, so with that we can able to perform. Okay, right. So now the business partner is ready now. So now what is the condition we have here is now the business partner is all these things are completed here. Okay, so now the thing is, so we have to, okay, so we have to go for the last master data. So this we can see in detail in the pricing procedure. So regarding the condition record, you can see the condition record here. So it is recording the condition record. So there you can see it is recording the condition record here. So here where we are maintaining all the conditions. Okay, what is a condition? What is a condition record? So that all things we can see that later. Okay, so now I'll explain. Okay, just I will explain how to work on that. Okay, for an example, we have one T code for doing this. Okay, it is VK11. So there is a T code for maintaining this condition record. But for maintaining that, we have to do a lot of things over here. Okay, so we have to maintain the tables and all these things we have to do so that we can see during the pricing procedure. So during the pricing procedure, we can see that. Okay, so now I'll just show you how to maintain this. Okay, so with this we can close. And when we go to the pricing procedure, we can see in detail. Right, yes, for an example, if an order, okay, for an order you want to bring a price here, so you can go to VK11. Okay, so normally you can see create condition record. And there are n number of condition types will be available. What is the condition type is, okay, for an example, you want to update a price. Price is a condition type. You want to update the discount. Discount is a condition types. So you want to update the freight or you want to update the tax, everything. So what are the conditions you want to put in an order? Okay, so that is called as a condition types. So we are going to see that detail in the particular pricing procedure here. Don't worry. So now I'll just put one condition type which is very common, which is PR00, which stands for a price, and given enter, so you will get some key combination. Okay, these key combinations are nothing but where this information can be stored. The key combination is nothing but where the information can be stored. Maybe you can maintain the combination of customer versus material, or you can maintain a price list versus currency like that, or you can just maintain for a material alone. Okay, so like that you can able to maintain that. Okay, maybe for an example, if I just go for here, okay, choose, and there for example you can see for this organization and this particular distribution channel, and you can see there is a material available here. So you can put the material. What is the material we created here? So I think we have created a car I-20 something. Yeah, so you can see this is our product, right? You can just put our product and you can put some price over here. Maybe I'll just put, okay, some 2000 and enter. Yeah, there you can see, okay, so the price of this is 2000 USD, and you can put the validity. Okay, validity always starts with today's date and it will go to a certain extent. Okay, it will go for a certain extent here. Okay, so on this particular case, what will happen? This is the validity. So if your validity closes, so it will also will close. Okay, right? So this is how it can able to maintain. Same thing for the discount and all these things you can able to maintain over here. Okay, that all things we can discuss later in the particular pricing procedure here. Okay, with that we can able to go. So then only you will understand what is this actually, or else it will be blindly you will be having this one case. Okay, right. So let's save this. Okay, so that's it. So you can maintain different combination for the discounts and all these things, so that all things we can see in the pricing procedure. Okay, so now for this case it is fine. So now we want to start the O2C here, which we are waiting for. That is the main process where we want to put all our effort here. So let's go for it.